Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am discussing a new app that is paying Uber and Lyft drivers and gig workers and pretty much anybody who has extra time and extra has access to internet on their phone, $1,000 per month. So if you are new to my show, hello, my name is Dylan. And basically this channel is all about side hustles, increasing your income and trying new things out. There's so many different opportunities to make money. That's probably how you stumbled upon driving Uber. That's how I did, working tons of different jobs and figured, hey, you know what? I have a car, I have extra time. Let me get out there and drive Uber and Lyft. And hey, you know what? It's actually a decent side hustle if you know strategies, if you know your area, and if you know taxes and how to make sure you're writing off all your expenses and mileage, it can actually be pretty lucrative. There's also some other interesting opportunities. I still, every single day, I'm thinking of new ways to make money. And one of the ways I'm making money right now is through this new app. It's called Tik Tok Shop. So I'm gonna share it with you guys. If you have extra time on your hands, this is for you. You don't need a following, you don't need any experience on social media. Let me just dive into my computer and show you guys how it works. So basically, this is Tik Tok Shop. If you don't know what Tik Tok Shop is, it basically is a way for you to be able to, TikTok now is competing with other brands, other companies, mostly Amazon. So you can essentially buy products on TikTok now. If you go on TikTok and you scroll, you can buy products. That's how it works. And you don't want to be buying the products, but you want to be selling the products. But the craziest thing is that you don't even need to sell your own products. You can sell other random products. That's what I'm currently doing. You can promote other people's brands, or, which I also do, but another even more lucrative way, which I haven't seen anybody talking about, is you can actually set up your own shop on TikTok where you're selling basically your own items. However, they're not actually your items. So I'm gonna, I have a link below showing you guys exactly how to set it up. It's like a 45-minute video, and it's how I'm currently making over $1,000 per week right now. And it's pretty crazy. Yesterday I made 600. Today it's only 9 a.m. and I'm already at, I believe, like 300 or 400. No, I'm at 400 bucks today so far by 9 a.m. It's crazy. I got 12 orders so far. I'm barely even promoting them. They just keep popping up. Like, let's see. Yeah, I literally just got another order right now. I'm selling these little dresses. And I pay, so this is basically, I have the link below to show you guys how it works, but somebody literally just bought this last minute, and I'll just show you guys because it's actually crazy right now. These are all the orders that I've been getting right now this morning: 9 a.m., 8:30 a.m., 8:29 a.m., 8:19, 8:15, 7:30, 7:27. Basically selling these little dresses, and anywhere, they're actually really nice quality, but I sell them on TikTok Shop for like 25 bucks, 23 I think, and so I make like a $13 profit per sale, and you gotta pay TikTok a little bit, so it ends up being like a $7 to $10 profit per sale. But if you, I'll tell, and that's not like, I didn't sew the dress, I didn't go out and buy the dress, I'm literally just linking up another store, and it's technically my store now. So I'll tell you how to set it all up, how to start making money. Again, my account that I'm selling this on only has like 50 followers. It's a brand new account I just started. So it's really, really cool. Now, I wanted to also, oh, and by the way, when you use the link below, you can start a free trial and sign up to our membership community, where I'm actually gonna be launching a Discord soon because I'm so obsessed. I'm doing this every single day now. And you can join it, you can leave whenever you want, but the best thing is, in that Discord, which will be coming soon, we're gonna be sharing tips and tricks and kind of like daily sales and daily motivators. And if you have any questions, which I'm sure you will, you can ask them there, and I or other people will respond and kind of just be like, hey, do this instead, do that instead, this works for me, that doesn't work for me. That way I've already spent years like creating stores and stuff, and now You know, I have over 1 million followers on TikTok. This is my Rideshare Hub page. I have over 380,000 followers on TikTok here. I just posted this video 1 day ago. Boom, million views, all right? I'm not trying to brag, but like I know a thing or two about TikTok. This one, 1.2 million. This one, 1.2 million. 1.9 million views, 400,000 views, 250,000 views. I break down all my strategies in the link below on how to, you know, generate views, how to generate income. I've made over 30 grand on TikTok in the past year, maybe around 40,000 in the past year. And you know, this new thing, TikTok Shop, I'm really excited. I'm trying to hit 10,000 in my first month. And again, I'm already at, crazily enough, I believe 2,000 for the week. And if you do some simple, oh no, I'm at 1,800 for the week. If you do some simple math, what's 1,800 times 1837 times 52 weeks? I'm at 95K for the year just on TikTok Shop. It's crazy. So if you, I mean, if you just go on Amazon.com, like, you know, this is basically what TikTok is turning into. You can buy all these products and sell all these products. There's not that much competition now on TikTok Shop because it's so new. But if you get in, TikTok will start recommending those products to people who are just on TikTok. Like, you need to do a little bit of promotion, but yeah, I walk you through it all in the link below. I wanted to also, guys, if you are driving for Uber, to definitely also sign up for Play Octopus, because this is another way you can make money. I do have a link below and a referral code. You need to hit 100 rides before you qualify, I believe. But they play little ads in your car, or your passengers can play games, and in between there's like little Red Bull ads and stuff. You can make up to $100 extra per month with Play Octopus. Again, use my link below, sign up, it's free. They will send you a free tablet with a data plan and everything, so you don't need to worry about that. And the only downside is you need to plug it into your car charger when it, you know, when it's low battery, but I don't know. So maybe the life of your battery, your car battery, goes down by, I don't know, 2%. So that's, I guess, maybe the only downside, maybe even less than that, 1%. I don't know how the math works on car batteries, but, or if you drive a Tesla, doesn't really matter. What else? The other ways that you can boost your income to make over $1,000 a month, I would definitely recommend for also signing up for WorkSolo. WorkSolo is a company that pays you when you go out and drive. This is me, the Rideshare Hub. We're literally on the WorkSolo website. One of the partners here, actually haven't read this in a while. Dylan Hemrick is a LA-based gig worker and founder of the Rideshare Hub. Check out his content on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, and TikTok. We're also on TikTok. But yeah, this is my page here. Obviously, you're watching me already. Over 1 million followers on YouTube, 39K followers on Instagram, and Facebook. We got, what's it called? I think we got like 60K, 42K on Facebook. So WorkSolo is essentially a app that will give you guaranteed money. So you make more, you earn more and stress less. So when you go on, you can basically clock in, like, let's say you're doing Instacart here, 21 bucks. For that hour, 12 to 1, you kind of clock in for that hour. And let's say you're doing Instacart, it's really slow. You get really small batches, you only make 14 bucks. WorkSolo, they're like, we don't care. You're one of us now. We take care of you. They'll pay you the difference so that you do earn 21. So a lot of people, you know, it makes driving gig work more reliable, because that's kind of the only downside of gig work, is it's not super reliable. But with Solo, it actually is. So you just sign up for a few apps and clock into these things. You know, try it out, see if you like it. And I believe when you sign up, you still get $10 when you sign up with our link as a little sign up bonus, just as a thank you, because they're trying to get a lot of drivers. You can also file your taxes with Solo. The best thing about this is that you can do mileage tracking and manage your whole business in Solo. So Solo is basically the financial backing of your business. Like, you don't need I personally do recommend hiring an accountant just because I think it's a really good investment, because they could probably help you save and just save more money on paying tax. But also, like, if you have a good accountant, they can really help you, like, manage your business and make sure you're like, you know, looking ahead for the future, not just scrambling at the end of the year. But if you don't want to hire an accountant or a business manager, solo is like basically the next best thing. So anyways, those are my 3 ways, my 3 things that I think is the best apps to help you make at least like $1,000 a week and driving for Uber. Again, the Tik Tok Shop one, I highly recommend at least trying it out. You know, who knows? You guys are entrepreneurs. You guys are driving Uber, Lyft. You obviously don't want to work for somebody else. You don't want to, you know, achieve somebody else's dreams while you're trading your time, right? What if you can set up a passive income source and you don't have to work very hard anymore? What if you set up a TikTok shop page, boom, you're making money, and then you hire somebody to run it for you. You hire somebody else to manage it for you, and boom, you're sitting, traveling the world, setting up businesses. I don't know what your dreams are, but that's what my dream was. I didn't want to be working for anybody anymore, and I haven't for 5 years, and I love it. I get to sit in my little living room. I know it's not much. I got this little couch off Facebook for 50 bucks, and I don't have any wall art yet. You know, I'm a pretty frugal, minimalistic guy. I actually still don't even have curtains up. I've lived here for 2 years. I need a girlfriend. That's what I need. I need a girlfriend to set curtains up for me. But either way, you know, I want to live a simple life, and I don't want to wake up and have to, you know, slave away my whole life. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll have links below to all 3 of those. Let me know if you have any questions at all. I'm here for you guys. It's what we do here at the Rideshare Hub. Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless. We'll talk to you soon. Bye now.